If you ever had the chance to go to Lanai, go and visit one of the last islands with some of the greatest petroglyphs ever. It is an ancient island, and in the turn of the century, it was also a ranch that was very prevalent on the island before the pineapple. The ranch was known as Ko'ele. And I wrote this song for the people of Lanai, because after I wrote Wahine Inikira for Molokai, Auntie Elaine Kaupuliki asked me to write a song for Lanai. And so I said, I need inspiration. So what she did was she brought all the kupuna to the church, and they shared all the old photographs of the island of Lanai before the turn of the century. It was a beautiful ranch, right in the area where the lodge at Ko'ele is, was the ranch house of Ko'ele. So this song was a makana from me to the people of Lanai. And in the 1980s, when the lodge at Ko'ele was opened, me and the Sons of Hawaii, I had the privilege to sing my song to the community. And so it became their song. Every time I go to Lanai, we dance. A song called Lake Ko'ele, which means Ko'ele wears the rain. Ko'ele, ikalaki o kalua, uwarte mataaru ikonami, kumamaka onauna kaukani, okoreo namakani ageo.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's roll applause for Dennis Comotani the Web.